welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Claudia Works for those who are new here, and for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support me. And guys, I'm okay, niko sawa. Thank you so much for always coming to support me. And guys, on today's video, I'm coming live from the streets of Isili. This is how everything looks like here in Isili. I say hi to my fans.
Hi. Hapa ni Isili.
Hivyo tu.
Hivyo tu.
Okay, unafanyanga nini? What do you normally do here in Isili?
Hapa beba.
Is a boda boda guy.
Niongee kizungu hapa.
So, do you know this country known as Jamaica?
Yeah.
What do you know about Jamaica?
Maybe reggae music, dancehall. Yeah.
So you know reggae music. Today I will be asking people where is Jamaica located, because most of the people think that Jamaica is located in Africa. English. Okay, there is this country known as Jamaica. Where is it located?
Oh, Jamaica.
Jamaica.
South America.
South America.
Bob Marley.
So guys, if you know the continent which Jamaica is located, just comment down below. As we want to know if Africans know. We want to know Africans if they know where Jamaica is located, because most of the people think that Jamaica is located in Africa.
Unapewa kitu ama?
What do you know about Jamaica?
Muulize kama unapewa kitu. Jamaica is in South Africa. South America. It's a small a small country kama Nairobi.
It's a highland. It's in which island?
Hapo hivyo. Jamaica iko kwa island bwana. Wacha bwana. Si Jamaica iko huko Jamaica.
Si
Jamaica ni reggae boy. Huko kama reggae boy. Nini? Si Jamaica ni watu wa mandukulu.
Oh, you love reggae music. Is in which continent? Africa. Jamaica is it's okay, maybe you might be right. Jamaica is in which continent? Jamaica is in which continent? You don't know?
Yeah.
But you know Jamaica?
I know Jamaica.
What do you know about Jamaica?
Jamaica is a country.
Jamaica is a country?
Yeah.
Do you know their people?
They are good in athletics.
They are good in athletics?
And music.
And music, so?
Yeah. Reggae music.
Reggae music. Man, this lady is beautiful and she knows reggae music. Can you sing for us? I will assist you.
I know. Bob Marley song.
Bob Marley song. We can sing.
Daddy, wherever you are,
Yeah.
remember. Daddy, wherever you do,
Oh.
Chapati niko hapa. Kazi ni ngumu sana. Mambo yanakuwa ngumu sana.
Where is Jamaica located? In which continent? Unajua Jamaica? Hajafika huko, lakini unaisikianga?
Nisikianga lakini napenda kwenda huko.
Unapenda kwenda huko? What makes you love going to Jamaica?
Hata wewe utaongea.
What do you know about Jamaica?
You know that most of the reggae music are from Jamaica.
Reggae music. Anything else?
Rastas are from there.
Rastas are from there?
Yeah.
Okay. In which continent is Jamaica located in?
Continent. South America.
South America. Can you name like 5 artists from Jamaica?
Yeah. We have Conscience. We have Vibes Cartel. We have Egyptian. We have Mavado. And we have Popcorn.
Hey, Claudia Works. Yes, you take me out, right? Oh, that young man wants to know my YouTube channel name, but yes, you know, these streets are vibe, and I'm loving everything here. It's a new street actually. It's not like a new street, but for me it's a new street. So let's keep on walking, and yes, we know more about. Hi, come say hi. Come say hi.
Hi guys. How are you?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, you can.
Your name?
Oh, I'm Harrison. Yeah. I'm a businessman.
Yeah, in Isili.
Yeah, in Isli.
Can you tell them to subscribe to Claudia Walks?
Okay, subscribe to my friend's channel.
Yes.
Yeah, and big up.
Oh, thank you so much. Can I ask you a question? You know this country known as Jamaica?
Jamaica, yeah.
What do you know about Jamaica?
Jamaica, I know about Jamaica, land of Rasta guys.
Rasta
Yeah,
guys.
I can see you are Rasta woman.
Yes, Rasta woman.
Yeah.
What
And
else?
many things.
And many things. We want those many things.
Those
now.
many things
Yes.
about Jamaica.
Yes.
So, Jamaica is interesting because it's a country where you get, they have freedom of, they like reggae music. Yeah.
You love reggae music?
I love reggae music.
Oh, this guy loves reggae music. I love reggae music too. So, can you sing for us like one reggae music too?
Oh, one of the reggaes I know. which
Any
artist?
Like any.
Any.
Yes.
Can I do it next time? Please.
Can we do next time or we do it now? Just one sentence. One sentence.
Oh, there is this reggae about peace, love, and harmony. Peace, love,
and harmony. Hey!
Peace, love, and harmony.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'm Claudia Walks on YouTube.
Okay, I know you.
You know me?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much. That guy knows me, man. Hi. How are you? Oh, say hi.
You are TikToker.
I'm a YouTuber, I'm a TikToker, and everything in this Kenya.
What is the name of your channel?
Claudia Walks. Claudia Walks.
Claudia Walks.
Yes.
Thank you. Doing a good job.
Thank you so much, guys. I'm just happy. Now, do you know this country known as Jamaica?
Jamaica?
Yes.
No.
You don't know Jamaica?
He's a TikToker or YouTuber?
I'm a YouTuber.
No. I'm not familiar with
Jamaica.
YouTuber, but TikTok I'm there.
Oh, TikTok you are there?
Yeah.
Oh, sawa utajiona pale kwa TikTok nitakuweka hapo pia. So, unajua hii country inaitwa Jamaica?
Country inaitwa Jamaica.
Country
Country inaitwa Jamaica. Yeah.
Nini unajua kuhusu Jamaica? I'm trying to ask him what he knows about Jamaica. Marijuana, Rastafarian,
the reggae music.
and the reggae. Do you love reggae music?
No, I don't like reggae music. But, I just listen to some.
Oh, you just listen to some?
I listen to gospel music.
Okay, can you sing for us one reggae song?
I don't know.
And where is Jamaica located? In which
Jamaica
country?
is in, I think, is it in South America? I think it's in South America.
South America. Okay, guys, I don't know whether it's North America or South America. Let us know. We want also to know, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome to Claudia Walks YouTube channel. Try and subscribe as you watch the video to the end so that you may get more watchers and everyone gets something small. The more you watch it, the more also as YouTubers you get something small.
Yes.
Now tell me, how is so far have you seen Isili?
Isli is good. So I was coming from this street going downward. So from here I don't know so much about this street, but I was trying to interact with people and they are so nice.
Yeah, Isili people are very nice by the way.
Yeah, they are so
They're not
loving.
ashamed of camera. They're even not shy for camera.
So give yourself a shout out because I know you have a YouTube channel.
Hello guys, welcome to Claudia Walks YouTube channel. I go by the name I am Frederick. I am Frederick YouTube channel. Let me show them.
Yeah, show them.
Yeah, I always like to show people. And I'm the road to the 1,000 subscribers.
So guys, let's take him to
1,000 subscribers.
Yes, to 1,000 subscribers.
This is my YouTube channel.
Yes, this is it, guys. Yes, not Jamaica located. Or maybe Jamaica is located in which continent? Because most of the people think that Jamaica is in Africa.
No,
I don't know.
Jamaica is not in Africa.
Where's Jamaica located?
The Caribbean part of the America. How do you call it? Is it North America or South?
We don't know. We want to know. North America, South America, or Africa?
It is North America.
North America. What's your name?
My name is
Si niko hapa na wewe. Utaki? Ya YouTube.
YouTube.
Yes, tuko hapa na wewe tunachukua.
Deliver.
tuna have fun, tunacheka cheka. Tunasikia vizuri, imagine. Na vile uko na nice smile. Eh, una blush. Una blush. Guys, people are calling me. They are shy on the camera, but all in all, we love them. I have to talk on the other side, guys. I'm telling you, these streets are so busy. Hey, come greet us, Claudia Walks. Hello, how are you? How have you been?
Yes.
Oh, I love. I'm getting. What do I say? I'm getting connected to these streets of Isili.
Yeah. Because you come regularly with I Frederick there. You remember about asking about the Jamaican?
Yes.
Jamaican people. Yeah.
Even today we are talking about Jamaica. Where is Jamaica located? In which continent?
We say just as I said in the Caribbean. Yeah, in the Caribbean.
It's in which continent? It's in the Caribbean, but in which continent?
I even forgotten. Is it part of this other state? It's getting out of my mind.
But I know you know.
Yeah.
I know you know.
Yeah,
I think it's located in North America.
Yeah. But that side. Yeah.
Okay, what do you love about Jamaica?
You know they got many things. We do love them about. For example, their songs.
Their songs.
Yeah.
You love their songs?
Actually, we heard about the case of Vibes Cartel. The appeal was is being looked at again at the court. That's a very nice, good news.
Can you give us like 5 artists from Jamaica?
For example, we have Richie Spice. I mean, not Richie Spice. We have got Cynthia Morgan, I think. Cynthia. And the other one who died recently, Peter Morgan. We have got Shensia. We have got we have people like Tommy. I think Tommy Lee.
They are more than 5. Actually, you have tried.
Yeah, they are many.
So you love artists from Jamaica.
Yeah, we listen to their music.
Okay, now you listen to their music.
Yeah, but for now, I won't be able to sing.
It's like he knew the next question I'm going to ask. Maybe. So today you are not singing for us.
Today I won't be able to sing for us. Yeah.
It's okay. Thank you, guys. Make sure if you come to Isili, you promote who. Your name?
I'm Anderson. I'm located here at
Moyale Mall opposite. That is the Moyale Mall, right? That is the Moyale Mall with yellow and green color.
We invite all our Muslim brothers and sisters to come and get some shoes. We have
beautiful shoes here. Like, look at these shoes.
Very nice.
It's a Nike shoe. Very smart. Yes, Air Force. So guys, once you come to Isili, make sure you promote this guy. He is my biggest supporter. As I was walking around, he just called me and I was like, yo, man.
All welcome here at 4th Street Isili.
Yes, 4th Street.
Prime Gate Mall here.
This is the Prime Gate Mall.
Yeah.
There? It's there. Yes.
And we'll give you good discounts. Actually, we have many shoes here.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much.
You are welcome. I will come one day to promote you, man. Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm okay. You look good, man. Yeah. You're so happy. That is a Somali language. I can't even understand. Talk. Waongeleshe. We have Somali people there.
Okay.
Just say hi to your Somali community, Somali people.
Hey,
You come and promote this guy. He has nice carpets here, and you too, man. Say hi. Uko poa? What's your name? Unaitwa Ali? Ali, unajua hii country inaitwa Jamaica?
Jamaica, yeah.
I'm trying to ask Ali if he knows this country known as Jamaica. What do you know about Jamaica? Nini unajua kuhusu Jamaica?
Sijui sana.
Hujui sana huko?
Mimi najua tu Isili.
Unajua Isili hapa? This guy knows Isili.
Isili tu hapa.
أنا في عنا ما شاء الله الحمد لله هذه في سومالي بس بخليك راح شلون
شو هذا؟
Karibu hapo.
كل نوعه وحال روا إمادة.
Oh,
Anakuambia
if you are Somali and you understand the language, just comment down below. You translate for us, man. Look at these guys are calling me. Hi, come. Oh, you're looking good. You're looking good, man. Say hi. Don't be shy on camera. What's your name? Huh? You are Mohammed. What do you normally do, guys? I can see you are just relaxing around. Yeah. Oh, he's selling some carpets over there. So, Moa, do you know this country known as Jamaica? What do you know about Jamaica? Do you know how Pep's Cartel? Can you sing for us one song for Pep's Cartel? Yes. Sing for us just one sentence. You can't sing. Oh, sorry for that. He's on Ramadan, so he can't sing for us. Anyway, where's Jamaica located? In which continent? Sorry for that, guys. They are trying to arrange their business here. Jamaica is located in which continent? Yeah. You don't know? But is it Africa? US. So maybe he knows US. That is North America, right? Okay, thank you so much. I'm Claudia Watts on YouTube, right? Mimi I'm a reporter, I'm a Kenyan reporter. Claudia Walks TV. Yes, Claudia Walks TV.
Isli Business Center.
Yes.
We make a lot of business.
Yes.
You are the East Africa leading business national. Everything we get, kila kitu unapata hapa Isli.
Oh, thank you so much.
East Africa mzima sisi ndio tuna lead. We are the leading business and we are the leading on nowadays we are going to capture all Africa.
Yeah, very soon, eh? Okay.
But now we are leading East Africa. Tanzania, Uganda, Kenya. Isli is number one.
Isli is number one.
Leading business center.
That's why we are here. We are trying to promote Isili, man.
Yeah, Isli business is booming up so high. Nowadays we are going to catch up with international countries like the United States of America.
Even with Jamaica, Caribbean
United
Highlands.
States or Europeans or something like that.
Yeah.
Booming so high.
Oh, that's good. You know this country known as Jamaica?
Yeah, I know this country.
You know Jamaica?
Jamaica, I know Jamaica Kingston is Latino, from Mali country.
Yeah, you know.
No, Kenya is not called Jamaica.
No, I'm asking if you know Jamaica. Jamaica is a
Yeah, I
country.
know Jamaica.
Why?
The capital city is Kingston, and it's in Latino, from Mali country.
Oh, okay. It's located in which continent?
Yeah, it's in Latin America, South America.
South America.
Yeah.
Also, guys, if you know the continent Jamaica is located, just comment down below. One love, guys. We love you so much. Tell my fans from Jamaica something.
Oh, Jamaica, Kingston, where the party never stop. Keep it up, Bob Marley. Batman good. Keep reggae town.
Wait, you know how to sing reggae?
Yeah.
You can you sing for us?
I big fish. Call me Alista. You know what I'm saying?
One love, one heart.
Yeah, together we stand along we fail. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah, keep going, baby. Keep going, baby.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Welcome to Sleep Business Leading East Africa Bashment Crew.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, we are the leaders.
We are the leaders, man. We are the leaders. I'm just happy, guys. Yeah, bro, how are you? You wanna say hi? Oh, you're calling me, man. And you look good. You are handsome.
Yeah.
You know that you're handsome?
Yes.
Okay, which continent is Jamaica located in?
In this Isili.
Not in Chile. Is it in Africa, North America, South America?
Because it's there.
Oh, I already recorded it. I already did that. Yes. Eh? What do you know about Jamaica?
Nothing.
You know nothing about Jamaica. You know Isili?
Yes.
Only Isili?
Yeah.
What's so special with Isili?
No, I'm new in this.
You are new in Isili? Oh, welcome to Isili.
كأسعاد دمان السلامي بسم الله أصدق عن كتب على وكلك يا
Inshallah. Just translate. So guys, just translate for me if you know how to speak Somali language. Eh? Yeah. Oh, sorry. The first one, eh? Here's one. Subscribe. Put the notification bell on. Whenever that's me. Oh, bye. You guys, you're so fun. You're looking good, man. Yes. So guys, let's keep on walking around as we interact. Hi. I'm coming. For ladies is coming, okay? You wanna walk? I'm Claudia Works, eh? Claudia Works on YouTube. Yeah, Claudia. Now I'm picture tu size. Tunapiga wanawake peke yake. Oh, video gani? Sema hai.
Ramadan Kareem.
Oh, Ramadan Kareem. Oh, wasalimia waambie kitu pale. Nilete uongee. I'm coming. So, okay, do you know this country known as Jamaica?
Welcome to the house. So the weather.
Goodbye. So I don't know Somali, but if you know the language, translate for me. Hey. Come here. You know this country known as Jamaica?
Jamaica?
Yes.
Jamaica, I know that Jamaica.
You know Jamaica? Yes. Where is it located? In which continent?
But I don't know the continent, but I'm fan.
You are fan
Jamaica.
You are fan of Jamaica?
I know this, when I'm saying I'm fan, you know what I mean.
Yes. What do you know about Jamaica?
Jamaica? Jamaica, even Corona, it didn't enter there because the country is serious.
The country is serious?
The president of Jamaica, of course, I normally congratulate that man automatically.
The Prime Minister, not the President.
Oh, the Prime Minister?
Yes.
I normally congratulate that man because he ran that country.
Yeah. No, I'm Claudia Works, and today I want to ask you a question about Jamaica. You have said that you don't know the continent which is located in, but I would ask you to name like 5 artists from Jamaica.
5
artists from Jamaica.
5 artists from Jamaica?
Yes.
Like 5 artists from Jamaica?
You know how to sing reggae music?
Reggae music?
You know?
You have a man.
No, this guy knows. Can you name for them? Just name them, you know.
Male, Lakidube, Jamale, yani wako wengi.
Oh, they are many. It's okay. So can you sing for us like I'm coming? I was with him. Can you sing for us like one reggae music?
Reggae music?
Yes.
One reggae music, I can sing the life is so hard. Sometimes we can't survive.
Yeah. Continue, I'm here to assist you.
No, I'm busy, I'm at work.
Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, Isili is full of traffic. You can see, man. Let me go to that guy who's calling me. Hi, bro. Oh, introduce yourself.
Sindio hapo Youthman. Unasemaje?
Fiti sana.
Kabisa.
You know that country known as Jamaica?
Yeah, jump down.
Jump down. What do you know about Jamaica?
Jamaica, land of free. Jump down.
Sawa.
Kabisa.
Nini ingine unajua? What else do you know about Jamaica?
Si ndio hiyo. Jamaica tunawatambua. Si kwa weed hadi kwa maroots.
Oh. Sawa. Not only about weed but also many other things.
Hiyo tuko Isili. Sawa.
Where is Jamaica located in? In which continent?
Si Jamaica iko Afrika but iko kwa nini? Iko No Man's Land.
No Man's Land. Do you know how to sing reggae music?
Najua lakini mimi si msanii sasa.
Haina shida kama wewe si msanii, wewe tuimbie kamoja tu nitakusaidia. I'm trying to ask him to sing for us like a one reggae song.
Siwezi kupokwa.
Ile wenyewe basi.
Moja.
Ibada kama zile za huko.
Let's sing.
Chronics hapo tunamtambua pia Vibes Cartel kabisa.
Can you sing one song of anybody from Jamaica?
Ya Chronics ama gani?
Napenda yenye unajua iko nayo.
Yoyote tu.
Siwezi imba.
Wacha kutuangusha.
Onyesha tu.
Ameshatuimbia.
Onyesha tu kidogo.
Sikimbie moja pia.
Nasikia hiyo. Aonyeshe tu kidogo.
Kidogo tu kwa
Haya, hata basi duka Diamond, duka Tanzania basi.
Tuimbie mimi ni venye
Tanzania.
Tumwekee mboso.
Tutakuwa tumeharibu, si ndio?
Hatuwezi haribu, tunataka tu one sentence.
Chronics.
Let's go. Kawimbo kamoja tu.
Gotea huyu kwanza. Gotea huyu.
One love. We are on you. Just one sentence and we are done. We'll sing next time, guys. Okay, thank you so much.
Welcome, madam.
Yes.
Another day.
Another day. Okay.
First here, you just sending greetings to us.
I send greetings. Okay, can you tell my Jamaican fan something?
Jamaica fan?
Free World Boss. Free World Boss kabisa. Keje wewe.
Jamaica kwa hapa sisi. Hatuwezi baki hivyo.
Lakini ngoma hamna.
Thank you so much. Next time.
Mwingine unakuja na country kingine kenye kaka hapa karibu. Tuweze kukapanulia. Wasanii tuko tu.
Sawa.
Sasa nyinyi mko mnatupita.
Sawa. Haya poa. Haya bro, vipi? What's your name? Can you sing for us one reggae song? Guys, the streets are so busy. You can see traffic jam. Motorbikes are not moving. Vehicles are not moving. But anyway, we will cap up with everything around here. Yeah, guys, because of this traffic jam, guys, I will have to end my video here so that I'm saying because of the traffic